how to get golden plants very fast. Guys, I'm gonna be telling you how to get golden plants very fast, and I'll be explaining how you can actually get golden plants very quickly. Let's see. We get a bunch of. You can get a golden tree. So the first thing that you need to do is get a golden tree. Okay, golden tree increases the chance of getting golden very much. Okay, a lot, a lot. Let's see, we got a golden apple. So once you go to the gear shop over here, you can get easily golden plants, okay? Easily golden plants. You go to the gear shop, you buy... You don't buy watering cans, you buy master sprinkler. You can buy godly sprinkler, you can buy advanced sprinkler. All these sprinklers... Okay, not the basic one does not work. The basic one does not work. All these other ones do give you mutations. Okay, mutations are the ones that give you golden plants, sometimes even rainbow ones like this one, rainbow. And we get a bunch of these golden and rainbow ones in my farm right now. I can't even see how many golden or like I can't even see. I can't even see. I can't even see what's inside of there. But guys, but if you do want, the new grape seed, I'm giving away the new grape seed. Comment down below grape seed, so you can actually get yourself a grape seed right now in Grow a Garden. So make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, and this is pretty much how you get golden plants.